Hi, today we're going to learn a tune called Oírr. It was composed by an accordion player from Dublin. His name was Thomas Walsh and he composed it in the 1970s. With this tune we're going to practice the counting because you're going to come in on the upbeat because it's a 3/4 time. So just listen carefully to the intro. We'll do the intro, then I'm going to stop and then we'll start again. Okay? So listening to the intro. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, in. Okay, so if you follow the notes, follow the little red dot, you'll know exactly when to come in. So you're coming in on the upbeat just before the first bar. Okay, we're going to play the tune twice, so let's go.